For more than 70 years, Takeda has supplied vaccines to protect the health of people in Japan. Today, Takeda's global vaccine business represents one of Takeda's core business areas and is applying innovation to tackle some of the world's most challenging infectious diseases. Innovation is at the forefront at our first dengue vaccine candidate facility in Singen, Germany, inaugurated in 2019. Implementing Pharma 4.0 technologies was part of the overall project delivery, complementing the company-wide digital transformation. Collaboration with a number of specialised suppliers and academia to develop Pharma 4.0 solutions was key for the project's success. Built with state-of-the-art process equipment and then layered with advanced digital technologies. A complete IT infrastructure upgrade was finalised during the early phase of the project. It served as the platform to utilise advanced IT and OT solutions, including an advanced algorithm for drug substance selection coupled with an automated dosing solution ensures optimised selection and accurate and precision dosing. An AI-enabled, semi-automated visual inspection lyophilized product is also developed to provide the opportunity to increase inspection accuracy and reduce low false reject rates. A fully integrated electronic batch recording solution is in place and linked to the Takeda Enterprise data backbone to enable real-time performance management and process verification. The EBR system is also interfaced with an embedded warehouse management system, enabling a no-touch transport concept and autonomous mobile robots to transport materials. Additional robots are used in packaging for ergonomically challenging steps in the process. With all these digital technologies applied, Takeda was then able to install a control tower concept for the facility. It enables real-time performance monitoring and alignment with the tiered accountability system of management throughout the plant. The state-of-the-art vaccine facility is critical in fulfilling our mission in developing and delivering vaccines that tackle the toughest problems in public health and improve the lives of people around the world.